intimate moments.
Oh
No,
shit! Get him!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I got a little bit too
shit out of
excited.
Don't do that. Look, here's the thing. Hunters spend a lot of time in the bush. It gets lonely.
The hero.
Hera. So guys, now that we've murdered all these wildebeest, now what?
Let's go murder some more.
Luft, you kind of stink. You gotta. There you go. There.
Is that Axe body spray?
I need that.
Yo,
I completely
why-
just missed that shot.
the can
I
not
didn't
go
miss
ahead?
it. Holy shit.
We gotta get ready for our date.
I totally did not miss that.
Let's get
Don't
ready.
clip that. Welcome everybody. I am Jamada. Welcome. I'm very happy that you are here today. I really hope we can get some good kills today on Call of the Wild, and I can support everything that's going to be super fun today. So let's jump right into it. Let's go. There's more. If you did forget to subscribe and like the video, please do that. It'll help out a lot. And if you guys want to see more funny content just like this, come to the Twitch channel, twitch.tv/Savannah334. And I'll see you guys there. See you later. Short stacks.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
I can't get.
Jamada is live.
Yeah.
So if you're gonna talk shit, do it now.
Yes. Very much so.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Everything is being recorded. I'm putting this in a YouTube video.
Oh, okay. Talk
So
all the
shoot-
shit.
Shoot a bunch of shit.
Yeah. Go ahead. You can use it. Yeah.
Okay.
Shoot all the shit.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh yeah, I spawned into the tent.
Oh no. No. There's a different one.
No. Just go to your map and then see where we're at. There's a tent.
Yeah. We're in
press-
Central Savannah.
Get
That's
them.
Oh shit.
I've never been on this map. So.
This map has like herds of wildebeest and stuff. We just hunted a couple lions. What would warthog.
Ooh.
Wow.
Fancy.
We're fucking hunting some Lion King shit.
Yes. Claws? No. I hate White Claws. I like.
when you're drinking the clap.
No laws, baby.
No. I drink. No. I love mimosas. I got fucked up on mimosas.
Yeah, the bubbles.
That's so random.
No.
That's such
No.
like a starter, like, aw.
No, so I drank a full bottle by myself.
Sunday, dude. They're like Mother's Day.
Yeah, mimosas are like what you drink
Raspberry
after
flavor
a
isn't
hangover.
terrible. I love raspberry flavor. That's
Have
the
you
only
ever
one.
had have you ever had a
There's too
Royale?
much bitch beer even for me. Damn.
A lot of you like that.
What?
Like those little champagne drinks.
Yeah, they're fucking
Royale.
great. I love them. Jackie boy.
Go to your store as a liquor, or the grocery store, liquor store, whatever, and look for a sham. There's this lady that reads it,
No.
cracking her ass. Like it's fucking funny as shit. Because it rhymes and everything.
Her fucking.
Oh, shit.
I'll have to send you a link. It's fucking hilarious.
Drinking alcohol and playing Among Us sounds like a good time. No. That will never happen
Yeah,
with me.
it does. That sounds wonderful.
Well, you had me at drinking liquor
Yeah.
and Among Us.
I like Among Us, yeah.
I don't like Among Us.
Why?
I'm always the first one to get outed.
Mm,
Lie better.
yeah, I know. Left caught me one time, and all he said was my name, and I was like, "Fuck." Yeah.
Just
I
stacks.
do. When I see people vent, I'll be like, Stacks. Bye.
You knew.
Stacks. Bye. Bye-bye.
Mhm.
Bye-bye. That's when I instantly know.
And I was
You don't like-
yeah,
you don't like-
peanut butter and jam.
Oh my god.
Peanut butter and jelly?
Oh fuck.
No, jam.
You know the difference
God.
between jam and jelly, right?
Yes. Jam
I
has
think you know a guy.
actual like bits of the fruit, and then jelly is actually like just smooth.
No, I can't jelly my dick down your fucking throat. That's the difference. or I can't jelly my dick in your ass.
That's what it would sound like, yes.
Can't jelly my dick in your ass. That's the difference between jam and jelly.
Hmm.
The real.
Short stack clears her throat. Okay, I'm ready.
I'll volunteer.
I volunteer. Wait, what? I didn't say that. I
You
didn't
jumped
say that.
Very quick for that, Jamada.
You none.
Oh, hello.
Do you know what I'm really craving right now?
Cookies.
Chicken wing, chicken wing. Even know who runs Integrity Farms?
And if it's not Tally.
That
Randy
dropped
Wondershare,
so hard. Oh my god. Okay, take that off. Where?
Don't forget your time.
I heard it. 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 I heard a growl.
Sorry, that was my stomach.
Then you need to get some food in your
Get some
stomach.
to eat,
Sorry.
woman.
Because that was a really deep
I was
growl.
kidding. It wasn't actually my
Get a lion
stomach.
warning call. Lion warning call over here.
Yeah, it's because I shot. Double lung shot on a female. $900. Fuck yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's
But
not.
I could shoot it. Hear it.
He's probably chilling with his homies.
Sipping on Patron.
Oh my god. I don't mind spiders at all.
Fucking animal. It's not even an. It's kind of an insect, but it's an arachnid. Look up the Kingdom Island crossover species of it.
Yo, I just fucked that thing
Talk
up.
nerdy to me.
No.
A true insect has an abdomen and 6 legs.
Hey, you want to know what an insect? You don't want to know what a spider doesn't have? A fucking abdomen.
It's called an arachnid. It's not an. It's technically not an. It's an arachnid. Like
Yes.
a fucking scorpion. Scorpion's got 8 legs. Have you not heard the last like 5 minutes of what I've been saying?
No, sorry. It's all been a
Let me-
blur.
Let me say it again.
No.
The Kingdom Fire.
Wait, what?
He's just ignoring
Cantaloupe.
them. Cantaloupe.
We'll
Okay.
never get married.
Instead of an
Cantaloupe.
antelope.
Oh, I see you now. Okay, bitch.
Jokes. I'm picking up what you're doing.
There we go.
Get that mustard. Let's go.
That's a brain shot. You better be
go.
dead. Oh my god, that was a brain shot. Holy
go.
fuck. That was a fucking shot, boy. I had a heart shot and then I had a brain shot. So
Right, cowardly lion. Stop it.
let's see. Where did I hit this? Heart and right lung. Fuck yeah.
Dude, there he is. Straight ahead. He's south.
You better fucking kill him.
Soft as baby shit.
Soft like baby shit. Yep.
Soft like boobs.
Is that it? Is it lion? Oh, he's
If
dead.
they're fake, they're not always soft.
Dead.
If they're fake, they're not always soft. Oh,
It's
fuck.
true. Ah, hell yeah, Lefty. Good job.
I have to reload. There's 15 or 10 more? What?
Yeah, there's a shit ton, dude. So many.
I don't see them.
Yeah, because they all ran off.
Oh, shit! I see what you're talking about now.
Chicken wing.
No! he just had to fucking... Ah.
You could be my only one.